It's me. Can't flex on me. You watching me. Welcome to Talia's Beauty. Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we're going to do a get ready with me. I'm going to try to talk. You know, I be forgetting to talk. And we're going to fix it. So today we're going to go from ugly to baddie. So today, guys, we're gonna go from ugly to baddie. Like, we can do it. You know, I'm not gonna lie. I'm ugly, but it's okay. This tutorial will show you how to not be ugly. So I already did my eyebrows. Just gonna conceal them at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyelids because I'm not gonna put like a lot of shadow, but I'm gonna put somewhat. Come on. Oh, what's it say? So I'm gonna take my ring finger and index finger, and on the first one I'm going to. I like to put on the bottom too. But you have to make that face firm. Put them like primer on your lips. I'm actually going to work, so I'm getting ready to go to work. People at work say I should wear makeup. So what I'm gonna actually do, I'm gonna take a brush that's like a blending brush, and I'm going to take like just a normal, because I have to like mute this. Let me show you guys how to do it. My fucking brows are not giving me too much light. Like, so I primed my lids, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a blending brush like I said before, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a color and I'm going to create some contrast. So I'm just taking one of the light colors right here, and matte from matte. I use this palette a lot, guys. And I'm actually going to go closer to let you see what I'm doing. On my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take an e.l.f. I don't know what kind of brush this is. It's just like a little flat brush right there. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Prime eyeshadow palette, and some of the colors are missing, guys. I'm going to actually take this shade, the second shade that they have. And I'm going to put it in my crease. Like so. Like, let me tell you, when I was in high school, when I first moved to Tallahassee and in high school, I used to like put this in my crease all the time, like right there all the time. If you know what I'm saying. But y'all know what this is. Y'all know what's up. But anyway, I'm gonna take my new favorite brush and I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer like in my problematic parts like of my face. And now we get like red right here. And now we get red. And also the mustache. And I'm also gonna take some right here. And want any lumps. Which it doesn't seem like I have any. That's a plus. I'm gonna take my new wet wipe and I'm gonna like blend it, girl. Blend it. I'm just gonna pat that into there, guys. Like, I'm not swiping to make lines and streaks and shit. I'm just patting it in to my skin. And because I get oily in these like areas, I'm gonna those proper places in my face. I'm not gonna take my Airspun, but they make me ashy sometimes, so I'm just gonna take my Perfect Finishing Powder. And I'm just gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna take my brush. Look at it, guys. It is so beautiful. So then I'm just gonna like at my face. That wasn't enough. I only set like the places I get oily at because I don't put foundation every, I mean, concealer everywhere, especially on my forehead because bitch, I mean, it's so fucking oily up there. Only my problematic places, I swear. I put oily. Say, look, good. Peak Grwm. Watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and all the social media platforms. Please subscribe and please like, leave a comment down below if you can. It means a lot to me. And you guys have a wonderful day. Beautiful.